Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. You guys, it finally came. That's right, it finally came. I'm going to do an unboxing on a brand new Xbox S. Well, it ain't brand spanking new, but it's new to me. Check this out, you guys. You know, when you see this right here, best grandpa ever night, this is my box opening. But look, check this out, guys. The craziest thing happened to me. Y'all see this one right here? This is the original Xbox One. This is what I've had. I never got the Xbox S or the X. I always had the One. But now, you know, I've had to upgrade. I got the new Xbox Series S. But the funny thing is that today, I ordered my Xbox Series S about 2 weeks ago. I got the text message today from Best Buy that it was here, that I could come pick it up. And today, the same day that I get the text message, this goes up. Won't even come on, no power, nothing. It's like the old one knew that the new one was coming. So you know what? We're gonna send this one to the upper room. It might just be the power supply, but I tried all that. I unplugged it. I did all that. Nothing worked, so to hell with it. All right, let's put that on the side. And y'all know what time it is now. Out with the old, in with the new. The Xbox Series S. Basically, this is the new. I got the digital one. This is not the big boy. This is the 512 gigabyte SSD Series S. Got a controller, the main unit in it. Let me flip on this side. You can gain up to 120 FPS. Xbox Velocity Architecture 512 gigabyte SSD drive. High dynamic range, disc free. This is all digital. On the back, you see that. Make sure you guys get the Game Pass. I've got the Xbox Game Pass. If you ever want to play me, I play a lot of Call of Duty. So make sure you hit me up. Jet 3 on the Xbox. Y'all know what time it is. Oh, you know what? I might change my name to Guru James. So just check the description. I have it down there. And I'm on Twitch. I'm on Twitch too. Guru James on Twitch. Let's get this thing unboxed. Bam! Hey, kids, don't play with knives. Let's go. Yeah! We pop that up. There's a tape over here. Woo! Oh, man. This knife a little too sharp. Woo. There we go. Is that it? I always open these things up wrong to make sure. Oh, yep, we got another one right here. Oh, yeah, I'm going to open this one right, you guys. Ooh. There it is. Let's put the knife up. We're going to flip this down. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all know what kind of music you get ready to hear? Yeah, sir. And you guys know this box is a little heavy too. I don't know why it's so heavy. Look, it says power your dreams. Power your dreams. This got a little weight to it. This got a little weight to this baby. We're going to sit this over here on the side real quick. What else is in here? Oh, this is for the controller. You say download the Xbox app. So you download the Xbox app. Where's the controller? Look, this looks like it's empty, but I think it's going to be something back here. Yep, there we go. There's the controller. Oh, yep, we got two AA batteries right there. There's the controller for you right there. We got the HDMI cable. We got the power cord. What else? Is there anything else? I think that's it. Is that it? Look at the case though. You gotta look how they got the case. You got padding up here, padding down here. Is that it though? I guess that's it. That's it, you guys. That's all that's in there. Oh, wait a minute. Instruction manual. Hey, what instruction manual? Oh, you know we don't read that. Let's close that up. We're gonna sit that back there. Controller. We're gonna sit this back here. What's this? Yep, there's a little information. So let's get to what we came for. Power your dreams. So let's open this baby up. Seal of approval. Put that on the side. Look how big this thing is. You gotta look at my head. Ooh, y'all remember the old things back in the day? Yay, my radio's loud. I'm pumping on the radio. Oh, okay, let's get back to what we're doing. Okay, we open this up right here. Boom. Boom. Some people say this looks like either a hot plate or old style radio, like a beatbox. Let's throw this. Ooh, yeah. Y'all know, yes. Oh, I kiss it. This is my baby. This my baby. Hey, quiet in the back. Hey. I'm doing a review. All right, here we go, guys. You got air pockets on the side, on both sides of your Wi-Fi button and your USB plug. Here's the power button on the right here. You got your Ethernet. You can hook up a separate USB controllers here, HDMI. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video and hit that bell so you get all my post notifications. I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace.